Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to beat Arena 12 in Clash Royale using the Prince Bait deck that's strong, consistent, and perfect for climbing trophies. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the deck. This deck includes Goblin Barrel, Prince, Rascals, Princess, Dark Goblin, Goblin Gang, Rocket, and Log. Your main win condition is the Goblin Barrel. It forces out small spells like Log or Zap. Once your opponent uses their spell, you can punish them with Goblin Gang or Princess for huge value. The Prince is your heavy hitter. He deals massive single target damage that is perfect for stopping tanks or punishing overcommits. Rascals gives you a strong split lane defense, while Princess applies constant chip damage and pressure from long range. Dark Goblin melts tanks fast and helps with counter pushes. And on defense, use Goblin Gang, Prince, and Rascal to shut down pushes, turn that defense into offense. Use a rocket to punish expensive support, troops, or finish towers, and log to clear the swarms and counter enemy barrels. This deck thrives on baiting spells, forcing mistakes, and capitalizing on counter pushes. So stay patient, keep cycling your pressure, and you'll break through Arena 12 with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!